Hello everyone, today we are going to play a game of Fly Bird. I think it's Bird Fly High, is it? Yeah, it's Bird Fly High 3D. And so what you need to do is get these like blue things. Right now I'm a great hit. You get these blue things. And those red things, oh, you don't know what they are, but they're actually, hard to believe, eagles. So don't go too close to the eagles because you will definitely die. So those yellow things are your lives. Yes, those are your that's your health. And you don't want to go on the ground because you have no legs, feet, foot. So you will die. Just get killed. And don't go in the water as well. And you can actually become an eagle, but you need to purchase for that. And don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Oh. Get the green one. The green one gets you extra flies. Oh, don't go in the water. Don't go in the water. Oh, I'm so close to an eagle. I'm dead. I am dead. See. That is how you get killed. But worth the try. And I'll just do one more day. And guys, peace.